Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
The following is a paid presentation for the MAXX Air Fryer Oven, brought to you by Kalorik. Imagine the sensation of biting into a crispy golden brown piece of fried chicken. There's something about that crispy outside and soft juicy inside that you absolutely crave. Now with air frying, you can get that great fried taste without the added calories or fat. But let's get real. Most air fryers underperform, so you get uneven cooking, even raw spots. But not anymore. It's time to take air frying to the max. Introducing the MAXX Air Fryer Oven, the next generation in air frying, the ultimate air frying oven that delivers more crispy crunch per bite, cooked faster than ever before. The MAXX Air Fryer Oven is a professional grade cooking system that delivers faster, better tasting results and healthier options with no added oil or calories. It's so versatile, it's called the MAXX because it replaces 10 different appliances. It's a powerful next generation ultimate air fryer, countertop oven, toaster, broiler, rotisserie, dehydrator, roaster, pizza oven, slow cooker, and indoor grill. But don't confuse the MAXX Air Fryer Oven with any air fryer oven you've seen before. The secret is the MAXX Air Fryer's Turbo Max technology. A massive 1700 watts of power is combined with a high-performance turbofan, engineered for maximum air circulation, maximum crispness, and maximum flavor. Look at a leading air fryer's airflow. Now look at the MAXX airflow. Wow, it's a difference you can see. In fact, we tested the MAXX against 3 of the leading air fryer ovens. The MAXX came in #1, cooking the chicken almost 28% faster. The extra power means the MAXX Air Fryer Oven goes to 500 degrees, perfect for searing juicy steaks just like the steakhouses. And because the others can't get to 500 degrees, you can cook your steak up to 37% faster. The MAXX Air Fryer has smart culinary intelligence built in, plus a massive 26-quart capacity. Make mountains of healthier air-fried French fries, enough air-fried chicken for a family, even a whole 12-pound turkey. And it's the only air fryer oven with French doors. Open one door and they both open automatically. Coming up, we're cooking favorites like ribeye steaks done in 8 minutes, air-fried chicken done in just 10 minutes, Cajun salmon in 7 minutes, rotisserie chicken done in just 35 minutes, and piping hot full-size pizza done extra crispy in just 18 minutes. Today's show has a very special celebrity, Chef Jamie Gwen. Now let's join your host, lifestyle expert Steve Harkey.
Hi everyone. If you love to eat, you have found the right place. We are cooking up so many favorites. I wish you could smell the aroma in here. It is making me so hungry.
I know, I'm hungry too. Steve, I have been blown away by the power and capacity of the MAXX Air Fryer Oven, and you will be too.
We're cooking a whole lot today. Look at these, air-fried French fries,
good.
Onion rings, or you want to talk about something big, look at this. That is a 12-pound whole turkey, not a turkey breast, the entire 12-pound turkey. And look at this one here.
Oh, now this is a masterpiece. If you thought a 12-pound turkey was impressive, wait till you see the most incredible prime rib. Now that is perfection. Notice how it's perfectly medium rare all the way through, but that crust and the flavor that permeates all the way to the bone. Steve, I'm cheating you a bite like a chef's do right off the back there. Let me know what you think. So good.
Oh my God, that's so good. That's delicious.
It's unbelievably delicious. As a chef, I love the flavor that the MAXX delivers.
The MAXX Air Fryer Oven is not just another air fryer. A lot of them can only get so hot, but the MAXX is a professional grade air frying oven, and it gets up to 500 degrees.
And 500 degrees is the temperature you need to perfectly sear your steaks like they do at your favorite steakhouse. So I'm making ribeyes here.
They look great.
And I'm going to season them, salt and pepper on both sides. Place them on the steak tray.
Sure is. I can feel the heat coming off of it.
And wait till you hear that.
Wow, listen to that sizzle.
That's right. Tray goes in with just the touch of a button. The MAXX air fryer oven has culinary intelligence built in for chef quality results just that easily. We'll cook the steaks for about 4 minutes on each side to perfection.
But Jamie, why is searing at 500 degrees so important?
First, it locks in the juices because nobody likes a dry steak, right, Steve?
Mm-hmm.
But the searing also creates that caramelization, the charring, the outer crust where all the flavor is. The steak tray that's included is specifically designed to give you that steakhouse crust that we all love.
So because it gets to 500 degrees, it's not just an air fryer, it's a high-performance grill. I mean, why stand outside when you can get incredible results like these indoors?
That is a steak cooked to perfection, Steve, and
let me get rid of that
steak
for you.
tray still sizzling.
Yep.
And I am going to cut you the perfect bite. That crisp crust
Look at that.
and that tender, perfectly cooked interior only comes from the MAXX air fryer oven. Next, I'm going to make a true family favorite, fried chicken, made healthier without all that added oil. I'm simply dredging these pieces of chicken, Steve, in flour, shaking off the excess. I'm going to slide it right in on top here. And this is the ultimate comfort meal in one oven because I have creamy mac and cheese and jalapeno cornbread as well.
Well, I love that because you have such large portions. You know, most air fryers, they're so small you can't cook for a family just one portion at a time.
Exactly. This will feed a
Now,
crowd.
you may be wondering why we call this the ultimate air fryer. It all comes down to the power and the air circulation. Look at this leading air fryer. There's barely any circulation. But now, look at the TurboMax technology. You can see the difference. It's like having a tornado on the inside.
The more air power, the more flavor. And that's what the MAXX is all about. Maximum flavor.
Some meals cook faster. More juices are locked in. It's the combination of crispy on the outside and juicy in the middle that we all crave.
Here it is. Fried chicken for a crowd. Look at that.
Wow.
Steve, how delicious does that look?
Fried chicken, mac and cheese.
That's right.
And-
Jalapeno cornbread. So that's how I feed a crowd, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to eat with you.
Wow, so juicy. It's nice and crispy too on the outside.
Yeah, this is my favorite Southern meal.
Well, this is really good fried chicken. I love it. MAXX is so much more than an air fryer. It's 10 appliances in one.
It's true, and all of my favorite appliances, including a pizza maker. Because the MAXX gets to such a high temperature, it's like having a wood-fired pizza oven in your home.
Well, let's take out the pizza and
All
see
right,
how they
pizza's
turned out.
ready. We're having a pizza party. Good,
Oh,
Steve.
look at that.
Check this out. Margarita pizza for all my friends.
And deep dish meat lovers for mine.
That's right. In the MAXX air fryer oven, you get that crispy crust, literally edge to edge, all the
Nice
way
and
around.
brown. Well, you got to
Got
cut me
it.
a slice of that.
Made fresh buffalo mozzarella.
And you know what I
and
like when you're cutting it?
tomatoes.
Listen to that crispy sound as
Oh,
you
yeah.
cut through the crust.
That's
It's
a good
nice,
crust.
crispy crust. That for me right there.
Pizza to the...
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're introducing you to the next generation in air frying, the MAXX air fryer oven. And I'm here with superstar celebrity chef, Jamie Gwen.
Hey, everybody. Okay, Steve, what's better than French fries? It's a trick question.
What?
Parmesan truffle fries.
Ooh,
So
that sounds good.
check these out. From my MAXX air fryer oven, I am air frying crispy, delicious French fries for all my friends. So let me dump them out, and I'm just gonna finish them off with some Parmesan cheese, a drizzle of truffle oil. Taste them now. Let me know what you think.
Oh, they're really nice and crispy. The flavor,
So good,
that
right?
flavor is incredible.
What do you think is the worst thing you could do to food?
What?
Microwave it.
Well, why would you microwave when you have a MAXX air fryer that can cook and crisp almost at microwave speed?
Remember, the MAXX replaces 10 appliances, and it's the ultimate toaster oven. So check this out. Melty goodness of mozzarella cheese over meatballs and sauce in toasted hoagie rolls. You could fill the oven with lots of good snacks, but who doesn't want to dig in to a really
I want to dig
good
in. Let me try this.
meatball sandwich?
Okay, let me take. That's really good.
Proving that the MAXX air fryer oven does it all.
You'll use your MAXX all day long.
I know I do. So let's start with breakfast and my signature dish, if you're ready. I have 3 words for you. Bacon cinnamon rolls.
You had me at bacon.
Yeah, it wasn't that hard.
No, not at all.
So here's how I do it. I use store-bought cinnamon roll dough, and I partially cook bacon on the bacon tray that comes with your MAXX air fryer oven, and it's about half done, so it's still pliable or flexible, right? Then I take the cinnamon rolls and I unroll them, and I lay in a nice big piece of bacon, and then I roll them back up.
Ooh, that
sort of like
good.
Over the top, right? And they become like a pinwheel. And about 14 minutes later, this is what you get.
Oh, those look good.
Yeah.
Nice and golden brown.
I'm just gonna ice them, but I made some extra.
Okay.
So you can have a bite.
Well, you know I'm not gonna wait for you to ice them and let them cool down.
Yeah, so indulgent, right?
That's the way to start the day.
Yeah. Why have boring cereal when you can make a gourmet breakfast in minutes? From breakfast to lunch, I love this bacon tray, Steve. It's super easy to use and the results are delectable. So I made some extra bacon at breakfast because bacon makes everything better, right?
Always better with bacon.
Then I've got some bacon wrapped hot dogs here. So there's for lunch. And I threw together a quick snack. I have some super fast fajita tacos for you. By the way, all done faster than ever and with maximum flavor.
You know, Jamie, I gotta say, why eat greasy fast foods when you can make fast foods easy?
That's your favorite kind of taco.
That is good.
So come dinner time, you want something made fast, but it has to taste good and also be healthy, right? And I love Cajun seasoning, so I'm adding a little bit of spice.
Well, you know, Jamie, I love the fact that you can fit 4 salmon fillets.
Check out the salmon, cooked in just minutes. This is my kind of meal, right? I've got that Cajun salmon, so juicy, so full of flavor. And then along with it, I roasted some asparagus spears. I have some beefsteak tomatoes that I finished with a little bit of feta cheese. And then I blistered some lemons in the MAXX. And I'll just give these a squeeze.
So many people won't make fish at home. But with this, let me just try a bite. Let's see. Oh, that tastes so good.
Not at all fishy. Maximum flavor.
At maximum speed.
Okay, I hope you saved room for dessert because we are making the ultimate chocolate lava cake. And in the MAXX air fryer oven, wait till you see the rise and that chocolatey, gooey center. Here's my best chef's tip. Add some water to the base of the steak tray that comes with your MAXX. You'll get the most wonderfully moist cake and that flowing lava that is out of this world.
Okay, this one's for me.
Yes, I know, this one's for you. This is what I call heaven on a plate. So, we'll lift out that cake.
Look at
You
that.
see that ooey gooey
Now,
center?
that is chocolate to the max.
I have to show it to everybody.
Look at that.
There we go. Maybe a dollop of whipped cream. Yeah. And some fresh raspberries.
Don't forget my powdered sugar.
And your powdered sugar.
There we go.
There we go.
Thank you. That is delicious. That's better than what you get at the restaurant.
Yeah, that's chocolate to the max. As a chef, I've tried just about every air fryer out there, and none even come close to the MAXX. More heat and more air power means maximum crispiness, maximum caramelization, and maximum flavor. I truly recommend the MAXX air fryer oven. I love it.